how to add a Google document or sheet to iPhone home screen. So if you want to add a Google document or sheet on your iPhone to your iPhone home screen, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your sheets at first and then select a sheet that you would like to add to your home screen. So for example, I'll just simply go with a sheet, go with the three dots, which is on the right side, and then you will have copy link option. You need to tap on copy link. After copying the link, now you can go back and open up your shortcuts application. So search for shortcuts. And after opening your shortcuts, you need to go with plus, which is on the top right. From the plus, you need to go with add action. And from the add action, you need to search for web, or you will find the web right here. You need to tap on web. And from the web, you need to scroll down and you'll find open URLs. You need to tap on it. And under open URL, you need to tap on the URL and then paste the URL that we've just copied. Once you've pasted, you need to go with the name and then go with a new name. I'll just simply go with a random name. And now you can go with done, which is on the bottom. And now if you go with the drop down, you will have add to home screen option. So you need to tap on add to home screen and then go with add, which is on the top right. You can just simply select the color or symbol or any color that you would like to add. And after that, go with add, which is on the top right. And as you can see that it has been added. Now, if you tap on it, it will directly take you to that sheet. That's how you can add a Google Sheet or a Google document to your iPhone home screen. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.